अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आड़ू, बे से बंदर, पे से पपीता, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चिड़िया, हे से हलवाई, खे से खच्चर, दाल से दुआ, डाल से डॉक्टर, जाल से ज़ख़ीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ालाबारी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईफ, तोय से तोता, ज़ोय से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से खजूर, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वकील, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। One tiger, two apples, 1, 2, 3 ducks, 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parrots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strawberries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rabbits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello students, today we are learning about the family relatives. So let's start the video. Mother, father, parents, baby, brother, sister, sister, siblings, siblings, daughter, daughter, son, son, progeny, progeny, grandmother, grandmother, grandfather, grandfather, nephew, nephew, niece, niece, cousins, cousins, husband, husband, wife, wife, aunt, aunt, uncle, uncle, fiancé, fiancé, stepmother, stepmother, kin mother, kin mother, mother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, son-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, sister-in-law, in-laws, in-laws, friends, friends, enemy, enemy, maternal, maternal, paternal, paternal, maternal grandmother, maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, maternal grandfather, adopted son, adopted son, granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson, grandson, maternal uncle, maternal uncle, father's sister, father's sister, married, married, unmarried, unmarried, relatives, relatives. A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dinosaur, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for hippo, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for all, P for penguin, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for shape. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vampire. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sparrow. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Hello students, today we are learning about adjectives and opposites. So let's start the video. Good. Bad. Big. Small. Happy. Sad. Sleep. Awake. Stand. Sit. Young. Old. Together. Alone. Black. White. In. Out. Same. Different. Attack. Defend. Active. Lazy. Back. Front. Near. Distance. Cute. Ugly. Brave. Afraid. Fast. Slow. Come. Go. Sister. Brother. Father. Mother. Day. Night. outside, inside, more, less, strong, weak, man, woman, thin, fat, hot, cold, turn on, turn off, husband, wife, open, close, tall, short, pass, fail, comedy, drama, dark, light, angel, devil, king, queen, ask, answer, poor, rich, right, wrong, easy, difficult, hard, soft, build, destroy, love, hate, run, walk, speak, listen, give, take, boy, girl,